Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable incognito mode in the foremost cellular browsers and the Infinix Note 12. So, at the start Firefox, in this welcoming scene just click here. If you have any tab opened before, click on the tab icon and choose the zero mask. Then click on this button and that's it. The next one is Adobe Edge. Click on the tab icon, switch to in private and add a tab by the plus. Next one, Chrome, click here on the treated icon or arrow icon if you have any update available and choose the new Incognito tab. And the last one, Opera, click on the tab icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now your history, cookies, files, completed forms, even the words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment and goodbye.